Hello, hope so you are okay. I am Ashraf. Today I am going to show you also tell you what is worm bin, how worm bin is prepared, what are the benefits of worm bins, how worms are safe in worm bin, how they breed in worm bin, what kind of food is provided in worm bins, and also the importance of worm bin. First of all, I will tell you about worm bin. A worm bin is a container used for vermicomposting, which is the process of using worms, usually red wigglers, to break down organic waste, like food scraps and paper, into nutrient-rich compost. You place food scraps and other compostable materials into the bin. Worms eat the organic material and digest it. Their waste, called castings, is an excellent natural fertilizer for plants. How worm bin is prepared is defined as follows. It's usually a ventilated container with drainage holes, contains bedding material like shredded paper or coconut coir. Kept moist and dark to mimic the worms. Natural environment. Best kept at moderate temperatures around 55-77 degrees Fahrenheit or 13-25 degrees Celsius. Use red wigglers. Eisenia fetida. They are best for composting. A 1-pound batch, about 1,000 worms, is good for a small bin. Benefits of worm bin are as follow. Turns kitchen scraps into valuable compost instead of sending them to the landfill. Helps cut down on household garbage volume. Worm castings, aka black gold, are loaded with nutrients and beneficial microbes, great for enriching garden soil, houseplants, or potted plants. Compost from worm bins boosts soil structure, water retention, and microbial activity, leads to stronger, healthier plants with better yields. When properly maintained, worm bins don't smell bad. Perfect for apartments or homes without outdoor composting space. Great for kids and adults to learn about recycling, ecosystems, and responsible waste management. Encourages eco-friendly habits, reduces need for store-bought fertilizers. Unlike outdoor composting, worm bins can be kept inside, allowing you to compost even in winter. Worms are safe in worms due to following reasons. Moisture control. Worms breathe through their skin, which must stay moist. Temperature management. Proper food choices, aeration, bedding maintenance, drainage, and also escape prevention. Worms breed naturally in a worm bin when the conditions are right: moist, dark, safe, and full of food. In a worm bin, worms eat organic waste, mostly food scraps and some types of paper. These break down quickly and are safe. Fruit peels, banana, apple, pear, etc. Vegetable scraps, lettuce, carrot tops, cucumber ends, coffee grounds with filters, tea bags without plastic or staples. Crushed eggshells adds calcium and reduces acidity. Cooked rice or pasta plain. No sauce or all bread or crackers. Worms don't like meat, bones, or dairy. Oily food. Citrus too acidic. Onion and garlic. Worms dislike the strong scent. Spicy or salty food. A worm bin transforms food waste into nutrient-rich compost, promoting sustainable living and healthier soil. Hope so you like this video. Thanks.